He said, "You're awesome." Wait, was that direct speech or reported speech? Hi friends, in today's lesson, we'll clear up the mystery of reported speech, how to report what someone said without sounding like a confused parrot. Let's go. What is reported speech? When we repeat what someone said, we can use two styles. 1. Direct speech, the exact words. She said, "I am tired." 2. Reported speech, we report it. She said she was tired. Notice what changed? Let's break it down. Key changes. No quotation marks. Pronouns change, I, she. Tenses move back in time. Am, was. Is, was. Will, would. Can, could. Are, were. This is called backshifting. He said I am hungry. Wrong. He said he was hungry. Okay. They said they will come. They said they would come. But wait. If the situation is still true, we don't always need to change the tense. She said, "The sun is hot." She said the sun is hot, because it's still true. I like pizza, he said. He said he liked pizza. We are tired, they said. They said they were tired. I will call you, she said. She said she would call me. Nailed it, you're now a reporting expert. Awesome job. Just remember, change the pronouns. Shift the tenses. No more quotation marks. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to my favorite English teacher, and comment below. I said I would learn English. See you next time, reported or not. Bye bye.